Hey y'all, it's Kathy Joe back again. Today is Tuesday when I normally upload my videos, but I've had kind of a wonky day. My whole week has been wonky, and I'm babysitting three of my grandbabies, my grandpuppies right now. I don't have grandbabies yet, I'm still waiting. Anyway, so you hear them in the background, they're carrying on like maniacs. So I have, three DIYs for you today, and one just a small one. One is a beaded garland, but it's really cute. I decorated it, and I actually contacted Whitney from Whiskey and Whit because she had drilled holes into the cubes that you get from the Dollar Tree little pack, and I was like, that is a wonderful idea. So I asked her if she minded if I used it, and she was like, no. That's fine. She was great about it. So, anyway, just want to let you know that I did get her permission. So, and I did use some of those blocks. I am so sorry about the dogs. So, anyway, if you like the video, please give me a big thumbs up. Please subscribe. Share the video and click the notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload a video. And y'all have a blessed day, and pray for Heidi Sombel's family. I just want to throw that out there because she's got some things going on right now. So just pray for her and be with her and her family right now. And let's get on with the videos. Hey y'all, so right here I'm going to be making a 3-tier galvanized tray. I'm showing you elephant chalk paint and silver lining chalk paint. I went ahead and painted the pans there with metallic spray paint, Rust-Oleum. And I'm sorry, Mama, if you're listening, don't get mad. I was going to say don't nobody tell her, but that one pan right there that I'm doing right now with those makeup pads, I think that's Rachel Ray, but I couldn't figure out what the world it was for because it has rubber on the bottom of it. So if it was expensive, I'm sorry, Mom. That's not going to be used for anything now but putting stuff on. So anyway, I just did both pans, and I got the other one from the Dollar General for like $2.50 half off. See, there it is, 50% off. Now I got those little wood pieces at Walmart. They come like 6 in a pack, and I got these candlesticks from the Goodwill. I know they're not candlesticks yet, but I got a bag of them with the little cups that you set on top of them. And it was only like $1.99 for all of them. I was like, yes, please. So, anyway, I'm going to be painting that in the elephant. And then I'm going to be, I want to say dry brushing it with the silver lining. But I went really heavy-handed, so it wasn't dry brushing. It was wet brushing, but I did it like I wanted it. And you're going to see me here in a minute. Screw those little wood pieces to the tops and the bottom of those little candlesticks that I drilled holes in. But I'm so sorry about those dogs. Anyway, but I ended up just screwing them to the pans with the little wood rounds, not just screwing them together and gluing them on, because I wanted it to be more stable. I'm sorry, I'm jumping up and down, up and down. Those dogs are carrying on awful. I should have gotten this video posted earlier today, but I just didn't. Like I said, it's just been crazy for me here. And then I just found out my mom had to go to the hospital, and yeah. So if y'all would, will you please say a prayer for my mother? She is having chest pains, and they're going to be putting her in a hospital, and she's 120 miles away, so I got to try to get down there as soon as I can. So here I got all three of the pans, and you will see me gluing them together. Now, this is the first time I've used super glue, I think, in I don't even know since when. And I put that gel super glue on there, and I used hot glue, and I put weight on it to make it sturdy. Not sturdy, to make it dry good. And I picked it up and it fell apart, and I'm like, well, that's not going to work. That's going to be a sorry 3-tier tray. So that's why I ended up putting screws in them and screwing the little candlesticks to the pans. I'm trying to get it centered and trying to get to where y'all can see it. I'm telling you, anyway, I got this little wooden box from the Goodwill too. It was only like 99 cents also, and it came from IKEA. So I'm painting it in cashew. And I'm not going to make y'all watch the whole painting process. Anyway, I had my tripod almost screwed into the ceiling, and I still couldn't get high enough. So I'm just putting some foam in there, and I'm adding me some flowers. I believe those are peonies. I don't know. They came in a big bunch. Those are dahlias, and those are I don't know. Those are pumpkins. And it said berries. They were berries. But the yellow ones and the other ones, I just got a bit. Oh, and then I took my Cricut. I must have lost that. Cut out on there. You'll see it better at the end. I don't remember what it says because apparently I deleted it. So that is a large eye needle. Y'all really need to look into that. They're called beaded needles. They're called large eye beaded needles, and you get 3 of them in a pack for like $1.97, and they're made by Beaded or something. You get them at Walmart. I'm gonna tell you what, I use those things and I can get those through anything. So I just did all that after painting all of them, and I'm writing Fallout, but you gotta put letters on all the little blocks so that way, no matter which way it turns, you can see it. And I'm going little teeny tiny brown beads to the top of my orange ones to make it look like pumpkins. So here I'm just cutting out a bunch of different ribbon and strings and stuff because I like making little raggedy tassels. I don't know why. I mean, I like the other ones, the original ones. I make those too. But I just like just little, especially for holidays and different like for the coastal theme. I did like a bunch of little things for coastal stuff. That's what I made my tassel out of. I don't know. So I tied a knot in that little square block, and that is Whiskey and Whit. Remember, Whitney from Whiskey and Whit. She's the one that done that. That's where I got the idea, and I did get her permission. Again. I'm just tying that up there. Want to make sure it stays really good. And I like, and then that little leaf, I just stained that with Waverly Wax Chalk Paint. Took little green twine and little jute twine, tied a little bow. On one side, wrote fall on the leaf. On the other side, I made a little buffalo check bow. And there it is. Y'all tell me what you think, please, in the comments. My husband said the tray was too busy. The box says come together. Printed that onto my Cricut, sorry. Is it too busy? That's why I showed it so long, I think. I was concerned. Y'all have a blessed day. Thank you. Talk to you later.